Find out the most important secret all the gurus will never tell you. These gurus, what do they know? The following video changed the way I'm marketing online.
Affiliate marketing system for my business. The true answer. Welcome to my video. My name is Bill Morrow, and I have been online now for about 9 years looking for the perfect system. This is why you're here. You're online now looking for affiliate marketing, making a business online, how to make money from home, all of these things. And they all come down to exactly what you're looking for and what you have found. This is it. You have actually come to the right place now, and I can give you the guidance that you need to get you started. Affiliate marketing is one of the best systems you can go for, because you can relax in the background knowing that the system is going to work on its own, and once you have set it up, then it is virtually a case of you keep pushing customers to it, and I will tell you how to do that so that you can get all the interest and all the benefits you want online. Making a business online, offline, however it might be, requires 3 things. First of all, you have to know exactly what sort of business you want to go into. In this case, you've decided you want to do internet marketing, right? Internet marketing in the niche that you require. So it could be weight loss, it could be affiliate marketing, it could be any of these different things, golfing, whatever. It doesn't matter. The system will guide you through all of these different ways. You are the one who has to decide exactly where you want to go. So from that point of view, it's not something that's fixed in stone. You are going to decide how to do the system. There's no such thing as a business in a box. It might work for a week or 2 weeks, but then it falls apart because the box gets leaky and all sorts of things happen. You have to build a business knowing how to build a business. And using this system, you learn exactly, step by step, how to set your business up and how to keep it running. And that's exactly what you want. Now, this is not just a one-time. This is a business for as long as you want it. As long as you want it. And then you can actually sell the business on. You can pass it on to someone else. But you have got the full interest in everything now to get the business started. So first of all, it's a system which we have found. The second, you need a computer. And the third thing that it requires is someone with the will to complete the system and to be able to take complete action on what you are trying to achieve. It's as simple as that. If you get a system and you put it on the computer and you sit there and watch it, all you're doing is looking at the screen. Nothing is going to happen. If you open a shop and you stand there and wait for customers to come in, the chances are you'll get a few inquisitive people coming in, but you won't get any sales because you have to advertise. You have to tell people where you are. You have to tell people what you're doing. That's what a business is all about. And all this is covered in the system. The system will show you exactly how it's done. We start off and you get the system, and remember, I've gone through this system, I am using the system, I am working the system, and I know it works. Guarantee that. You start by going through videos. You do a video, then you're told to do something in the video, you complete that act, and then you go on to the next video, and the next, and the next. So you go through the session, and as you complete, you end up with a working system. Now that's it. It's as simple as that. You do each section and you have. So you're working at your speed, not the speed of someone else. You're working at your speed, so that's exactly what you get. The system that gets you there in the end. All you got to do now is, now that you found this system here, is get down onto my link, which will bring you onto my email list. And on the email list, I will send you 4 sets of 4 days. I'll send you emails with more information about the system, so that you know exactly what you're going to get into and exactly what I'm offering you and how your new business will run. Everything about it. So that's all you got to do is click on the link below, get in there, you will get this further information and then be able to start off at the speed you want, at the time you want, but knowing that you're going to get a fully working operating system. So click on the link and I will join you there. See you shortly.
The only difference between the winners and the losers in life is one simple thing: the willingness to take massive action. You have that opportunity here today.